The Old Testament writer of Job said it best. Now ask the beasts, and they will teach you, and the birds of the air, and they will tell you, and the fish of the sea shall declare unto you. Who among these does not know that the hand of the Lord has done this, in whose hand is the life of every living thing? The scripture echoes across every desert, hillside, and open plain. For within the precepts of order and design, provision and plan, so inherent throughout the animal kingdom, the fingerprints of God are indelibly etched. Let us look then and learn from the creatures with which we share this planet. And as each plays out its unique role in the continuing celebration of life on Earth, the reality of the Creator's existence and care takes on a new and even richer sense of wonder. More than 1 million different species of living organisms are known to inhabit the Earth, and of these, nearly 70% are animals. Their scope, in both numbers and diversity, is truly remarkable. A small corner of this Central American rainforest, for example, is home to at least 2,000 different species of mammals, insects, reptiles, and birds. While the coral beds of Australia's Great Barrier Reef provide sanctuary for millions of exotic creatures, representing more than 1,700 unique types of marine life. Even a drop of salt water contains an impressive zoo, as a microscope reveals a menagerie of fascinating but rarely observed animals, all thriving.
Minute specks cast into an immense and hazardous world. Of the millions of seeds that are dispersed every moment, only a few will survive to successfully release the life they hold. There is a paradox that dominates this struggle to endure. Potentially, nature's forces can destroy the seed. And yet, often their devastating power will play a crucial role in sustaining the miracle of ongoing life. This continuing drama of trial and survival is revealed in the Odyssey of the coconut. Weighing as much as 20 pounds, this remarkable vessel is constructed to withstand journeys of more than 1,000 miles in the open sea. One of the world's largest seeds, the coconut is well equipped for the hardships of aquatic travel. The key to the coconut's survival lies in its air-filled outer husk. By itself, the edible seed would become waterlogged and sink after only a few days. But when encased in a buoyant, fibrous container, it can remain afloat for more than a year, its embryonic plant protected from the deadly saltwater. The conditions are severe. Yet the coconut is not only designed to survive the ocean's waves and currents, it can ultimately depend on them to transport life to a distant shore. It patrols the coastlines along 3 continents, moving day and night with a quiet, steady resolve. Probing, searching for a place to anchor on a voyage that can span an ocean. Let's enter the world of this mysterious craft, for there is much to be learned from its journey of life. Fringing shorelines from West Africa to South America stand colonies of one of nature's most unusual trees, the red mangrove. Botanically, they're known as halophytes, or plants that thrive in salt water. This rare quality is vital, not only to the trees, but also to the exotic array of wildlife that finds sanctuary among their limbs and roots. By flourishing where few plants could ever survive, the mangrove has become the foundation of a wondrous ecological system.
A team of astronauts aboard the space shuttle Endeavour adjusted and fine-tuned the complex instrument while improving the focusing ability of its optical systems. Since then, the orbiting telescope has more than fulfilled the dreams of astronomers throughout the world.
Outstanding.
Working 300 miles above the haze of our planet's atmosphere, the telescope relies on the predictability and order of the universe to achieve its objectives. When a target area is identified in space, the Hubble's computers lock in on 2 of a possible 15 million predetermined guide stars. This procedure accurately aligns and maintains the position of the instrument as it continually moves around the Earth. The superb clarity and detail of the Hubble photographs have already established the telescope as one of the most significant astronomical tools of all time, reshaping our view of virtually every aspect of the cosmos. Hubble images of the M100 galaxy, 56 million light-years from the Earth, are enabling astronomers to accurately measure distances to stars that could provide vital clues toward computing the true size of the universe. The volatile star Eta Carina. Scientists now have a clear picture of a colossal eruption that ejected fragments of the star far into space at speeds exceeding 2 million miles an hour. With its cameras aimed at the nucleus of M51, the Whirlpool galaxy, this photograph of a mysterious silhouette on the galactic core is believed to be a direct glimpse of a massive black hole. After staring for 10 days at a small patch of sky near the handle of the Big Dipper, the Hubble generated one of the most spectacular pictures in the history of science. At least 1,500 galaxies, many only 1/4 billionth as bright as the dimmest light the human eye can see, were revealed in a single, breathtaking panorama. Within a pinpoint of sky, the size of the area blocked by a grain of sand held at arm's length, the scope of galactic diversity and distribution was showcased as never before. At the very limits of the known universe, the Hubble telescope has photographed small, extremely bright galaxies that release incredible amounts of radiation. Quasi-stellar radio sources, or quasars. These distant objects, some 1,000 times brighter than the Milky Way, emit as much energy every second as our sun could radiate in 10 million years. The source of a quasar's power is still unknown, but a popular theory contends there is an enormous black hole in its nucleus. The quasar's gravitational field is strong enough to attract a neighboring galaxy, and in the process, it pulls off huge quantities of stars and gas. As the galaxies merge, the quasar converts its captured